Hi everyone, hope you had a lovely Christmas, and if you are planning to make some macaroons for the new year, this is a quick one how to make a filling for some vegan macarons. Obviously the filling will need to be vegan, otherwise it's pointless to make vegan macarons. I've got some coconut milk which I've boiled, so it's very hot, and I've got some vegan chocolate. I'm going to just pop the chocolate in. I've got 100 grams of milk and 100 grams of vegan chocolate. I'm using my bow mix, and I'm just going to blitz the chocolate. I'm going to turn it into an emulsion in a very few seconds. In case you want to buy just a small amount of chocolate, we do sell it in small packaging just to make like a batch of macarons and enough ganache to fill those macarons with. So the ganache now is smooth. Just trying to make this visible to you. Okay, that will need to stay in the fridge for a little while, probably till tomorrow, as tomorrow I'm going to do a quick video live in how to literally make the macarons, if you want to join me. So this will just be covered with a piece of cling film and will stay in the fridge till tomorrow when we'll use it to fill the macarons. And I'm also going to prepare some potato protein for making the vegan macarons tomorrow. The potato protein is a very nice protein to work with. Don't mix it with potato starch. It's nothing like potato starch. It's just the pure protein from the potato. So I've got 112 grams of water, and I'm going to add 5 grams of potato protein. Okay. Just a little bit more. Again, this protein is available to buy on our website. I will put the link just in case that you will be interested in giving it a try. Tomorrow when I will prepare the macarons, I will also give some options in case that you don't want to go for potato protein. You can use something else. But at this point, just demonstrating. So we've got the water and the potato protein. I'm just going to give a quick stir, and this will go in the fridge. It does need to stay in the fridge for at least half an hour to get hydrated, but I will leave it till tomorrow just because today I've got some plans and I will not have enough time to bake the macarons. But if you join me tomorrow, let's say from, shall we say like 12 o'clock tomorrow, I will quickly run a video on how to prepare and bake and also fill the vegan macarons. Okay, that's all you need to do, just practically pop the protein in the fridge. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.